In a quiet village surrounded by open fields and long dirt roads, there lived a young man named Arun. He was not known for anything special, not strong, not clever, not brave. Juste ordinary. Every morning, the village woke early, roosters crowed, carts rolled, and people stepped into their small duties. Arun, however, often stayed in bed a little longer, staring at the cracked ceiling above him. "I'll start tomorrow," he would think. Tomorrow had become his most trusted excuse. Arun worked with his uncle on a small piece of farmland. The work was not difficult, but it required consistency, watering plants, removing weeds, fixing broken fences. Arun did some of it, but never fully. His hands moved slowly, and his mind wandered faster than his body worked. While others focused on their tasks, Arun imagined better days, different lives, and easier paths. These thoughts gave him comfort for a moment, but later left him feeling empty. At night, when the village grew quiet, Arun's thoughts grew loud. He knew he was wasting time. He knew his habits were weak. But knowing and changing felt like two different worlds. Each time, he promised himself to wake up earlier, to work harder, to take responsibility. The promise felt heavy. And when elle était folle. One evening, after another unproductive day, Arun walked toward the edge of the fields. The sun was low, painting the sky in soft orange and gray. An old man named Dev sat near the well, slowly repairing a rope. Dev was known in the village for his calm presence. He spoke little, but people often felt lighter after talking to him. Arun sat nearby, saying nothing. After a while, Dev spoke without looking up. "You walk here often when your mind feels tired?" Arun was surprised. He nodded. "I feel stuck," he said quietly. "I know what I should do, but I don't do it." Dev tied a knot in the rope and tested it with his hands. "This rope was once loose," he said, "useless for lifting water. I didn't replace it. I fixed it, knot by knot." Arun listened, unsure what to say. Dev finally looked at him. Most people wait for strength before they act. But strength often comes after. There was no long advice, no lecture. Just silence after the words. The old man stood up, took his up, and walked away. That night, Arun lay awake longer than usual. The words no. He thought about how he always waited to feel motivated, confident, ready, and how those feelings rarely came. The next morning, Arun woke up only 10 minutes earlier than usual. Not at sunrise, not dramatically, just 10 minutes. He washed his face and went to the field before his uncle called him. He pulled weeds for a short while. His back ached, and his thoughts tried to pull him away, but he stayed a little longer than usual. That day did not change his life. But something small shifted. The next day, he felt. Some days he returned to old habits. But slowly, his actions became more consistent. He didn't try to fix everything. He chose one task and did it properly. When his mind wandered, he noticed it and returned to his work. Weeks passed. The field looked healthier. His uncle spoke, less in frustration and more in trust. Arun still felt fear and doubt, but they no longer controlled every step. He learned that discipline was not loud or exciting. It was quiet, almost boring. But it built something solid inside him. One evening, Arun passed the well again. Dev was not there. The rope hung strong, holding a full bucket of water. Arun smiled softly. He finally understood. Life does not change through sudden decisions or powerful emotions. It changes through small, repeated actions done even when the heart resists. You don't need to become a different person overnight. You only need to tighten one knot today, and then another tomorrow,